So it's going to be a quick unboxing of the new iPhone SE. It's a new model for 2020. Um, just like the previous iPhone SE, it basically takes the internals of a newer iPhone, but in the body of an old one. So this one, the old one, had the body of an iPhone 5, 5S, and then internals of an iPhone 6, 6S. But this one is the body of the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, but same internals as the iPhone 11 series. So this one is the 256 gig model. It also comes in 128 and 64 gigs. It comes in black, white, and red. This one's a white model. So yeah, so let's dig inside the box. So here you have your manuals and stuff, and Apple stickers, all that sort of stuff. Here's the phone itself. There you have the home button, which also has Touch ID, volume buttons, vibrate switch, power button, SIM tray. There's a 12 megapixel camera, lightning port. Here's the power adapter. Included lightning earbuds and a lightning cable. So the iPhone SE 2020 is powered by the Apple 813 Bionic chip. It has Wi-Fi 6 support, fast charging support, Touch ID and whatnot. Basically, they took most of the stuff from the iPhone 11 series, like the iPhone 11 Pro, Pro Max, and 11, and then put it in the body of the iPhone 8. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. It's available now from Apple's website.